Ah, sorry. Thank you. Bless us with big sneeze. What kind of big sneeze that is? You want me to do the way like chill like that? You want me? I've been sneezed my whole life with that kind of sneeze, and my friends keep saying, even my mother keeps saying that I sneeze like a cat. Did you know when I went to the studios, but I wasn't at the hotel? Iofi told me that her cat just fart on her, and then I told about it to Sabe, and Sabe be like, "Oh yeah, I also have a cat in the office, and the cat loves to fart a lot, but until this day, the cat haven't farted on me yet." I never really seen cat farting. How does that work? I never have the experience to saw or watch cat fart. It's rare to me.